Morning, folks. Welcome back. Jordan here at the Nutty Gnome Homestead. It is June 26, 2025, and we are out here in front of our greenhouse getting ready to pick some of our herbs. Now, it is a balmy 86 degrees here right now at 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning. I believe we're supposed to hit triple-digit heat index again today, so we're going to try to make this a real quick video. What we have behind me over my shoulder is mint. This is one of our favorite herbs we grow here on the farm. We eat it fresh, we dry it, we use it in our teas, we use it in a lot of our cooking. It is wonderful to have around. Mint has been used for centuries to aid in digestion, if you have an upset stomach, freshen your breath. It has several different properties that a lot of folks like to have it around. It's super easy to grow. Anybody can do this. We started ours from some plugs that we got from my parents. Brought them to the farm, put them in the ground. Those of you that know, you know, they tend to take over. So we dug up a shovel load from the ground and we stuck it in one of these 25-gallon mineral tubs. And it is absolutely taken off. So we're going to get you guys in close and we're going to show you how we properly harvest the mint so we don't damage the plant and that it keeps coming back and producing for us year after year. Now, first things first, I want to show you guys how this is taken off. This is about 3.5 foot tall right here. We planted it right here at the edge of our greenhouse. It is spread about 9 feet long and about 4 feet out. It come all the way out here to the front. We dug up a plug from where this gooseberry is sitting in this tub. We dug up a plug from there and we put it in this mineral tub. Now, one shovel load has filled out that entire mineral tub, guys. And this has just been this year. That's how fast these things grow. So we're going to get you guys in close and we're going to show you how we properly harvest this. Now, we often see a lot of people come through here and they'll just start picking the leaves off, just popping them off like this. That works, but you can also damage your plant that way. We don't want to do that. You get a couple handfuls of torn leaves. That's okay. They're real fragrant. Good for keeping the bugs away. Good for just rolling up, sticking in your lip, guys. Keep your breath fresh. But we're going to show you how we prefer to harvest this to where it produces more. So let me zoom you guys in here real close. Okay, you see this sprig right here? We could come down here and we could pull a couple of these leaves off. But what I want to do is I want to take my pruners and I'm going to come down to this little joint, this union right here. I'm going to clip that off. What that's going to do is both of these are going to put off 2 shoots like you've seen right here. And that's going to produce more mint for us. We're going to come in and we're just going to clip these off right above a bud, one of these little leaf nodes, and it's going to continue to put off new shoots of fresh mint for us all summer long. Here's another one. So we got several buds here. They've already started putting off new shoots. That's fine. We'll go ahead and clip it off right there. I want to clip this one down just a little bit further. Clip a few of these down. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to prevent it from going to seed. And it's also going to make it produce a lot more mint leaves for us that we can use. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this mint that we harvested into the house. We're going to put it in the dehydrator and we're going to let it dry. It's going to get nice and crunchy here in about 12 to 16 hours. We're going to put it in a mason jar, store it up nice and tight, and we will use this throughout the rest of the year for our tea. Now, this mint's going to keep coming back every year. It comes back from the roots. You don't have to replant it. You can dig these up. You can break them apart and make several different plants of it if you want it all around your house. This is real good. Come by, brush up next to it. It smells delicious, guys. Helps keep the bugs away. It really is a good plant to have around. Now, with it going to be triple-digit heat index today, we're going to make some cucumber water with added mint and maybe a sprig of lemon or two while we're at it. So it's going to be very refreshing on a nice hot day like this, which we're going to need because I believe I'm going to can some green beans this afternoon. So if you guys have any questions or comments about your mint, growing your mint, harvesting or drying your mint, please let us know down below or contact us over on Nutty Gnome Homestead on Facebook. you guys like this kind of content, do me a favor, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. It really does help us out. Free for you, cheap for them type thing. It makes sure that we get the motivation to keep making these videos for y'all. So until next time, get out there, harvest your mint. Don't let it get away from you. Be sure to put it in a raised bed. And I'm going to go make some mint and cucumber water. So till next time, y'all stay safe.